Hi, my name is Mike Ebert. I am the enterprise team lead at Indicio, and today we're going to be showing you a use case for proven certifications. Today's use case is going to be a student educational use case. So we'll demonstrate a student ID and a degree credential. So here on the left side of my screen, I have a browser window showing the university's website. And on the right, I have my Holder Plus mobile agent software. Without any contacts or credentials. So let's say that I enroll in this university and I'd like to get a student ID. So I click Get Student ID, and the system shares a QR code with me so I can connect. And when my connection is formed, my name is shared with the administrative system. And now, as the school administrator, I can be logged into the Proven user interface, and I can go find the student in the list of contacts. And from here, I can issue them a student ID credential. We'll say, let's issue a student ID credential and put in some information about my status here. So my student ID can get updated with each semester that I'm in the school and enrolled. And so this credential offer gets sent to me. And so now I have student ID that I can use around the university. So let's say that after I'm enrolled, that I'd like to log into the the website to take advantage of some student services. So I come back on a different visit, I click login. And I can scan this message here and connect. And the system will request my student ID to verify that it is actually me. So they issued me the credential, so I'm okay sharing all the details back to them. And now that they know it's me, they can let me log in. And they can show me things about my student profile. Here we've echoed the things from the student ID credential. You could access your transcript or whatever else you do in a student website, but we could use the student ID to log into the website. Now, let's say that I've been at New Sky University for my allotted time. I get it done in 4.5 years, and it's time for me to graduate. So the administrator from the system can also issue me a university degree. Now we've filled out all the fields, we can issue this credential, this university degree. We receive that credential offer on our mobile device. We look at all the fields, make sure that the university's got everything correct, and that we're happy, and we accept that. So our student ID after we graduate will likely lapse, but our university degree is going to be valid for a long time. It's really useful for graduating students to have that to take with them. So for example, let's say that we have an employer who has decided that they can accept university degree credentials of the particular format and schema. And so they've got this job application that says, as part of your application, we would like you to submit proof of your degree. And there are other ways to do proofs of degrees, like mailing in transcripts or requesting that the university send something like that. But if you can have a verifiable credential where the agents on each end understand the entries on the ledger and the cryptography and those keys in the credential, then it can be verified much more quickly and with far less risk of any tampering or fraud or anything like that. So we're going to go ahead and apply for this software engineer job, and we'll connect to our employer here. And so now the employer system is going to ask us for our university degree credential. We'll go ahead and review this. And they're asking for all of the fields. This could be selective disclosure so that the university is only requesting, or excuse me, the employer is only requesting what they need to know from the university. We'll go ahead and share this with the employer. And their system can check it out, run additional rules, and could say, something like, your degree information was verified and our HR manager will contact you soon. And for demonstration purposes, we've listed all of the fields from the credential here on the screen. So that's a demonstration of how verifiable credentials and proven could be used in a university setting to help manage things like access to school systems using a student ID, and how verification of things like courses and transcripts and graduation and degrees could be handled so the student can prove the work that they've done from the university with other organizations like a potential employer.